So now we're going to move on to our final category. After a dozen years and close to 3 trillion gallons of water saved, it's no surprise that there are a select group of partners that have made a major contribution to the WaterSense program's success. And their ranks continue to grow. This year, we are honoring 9 Sustained Excellence Award winners who have maintained an ongoing commitment to the program and demonstrate success in a wide variety of water efficiency efforts year after year. Our first winner has earned its 2nd consecutive Sustained Excellence Award. By expanding its outreach efforts in 2017, it was able to reach more than 9,000 residents through events, school visits, tours, workshops, and festivals. In early 2017, when the region entered into a level 2 drought, the utility distributed more than 250 water-saving shower heads, 500 kitchen faucet aerators, and 500 bathroom faucet aerators, and discussed the benefits of WaterSense labeled products with residents at various outreach events. They also hosted a unique campaign to fire up the hydrant during Fix a Leak Week. Local artists painted 20 fire hydrants during the campaign, and residents voted for their favorite. The winner was announced during a tappy hour at the local brewery where 300 attendees learned about WaterSense and water conservation. To further promote Fix a Leak Week, the utility reached 82,000 visitors at its local DMV by creating a video that played as visitors waited in line. Now that is a captive audience. It also held a Ripple Effect Film Festival where local filmmakers showed short videos they created on how to find and fix leaks. Over 400 people attended this event, and they received WaterSense label products as giveaways. Please join me in honoring the Athens-Clarke County Public Utilities Department for its sustained excellence in water efficiency. Accepting the award is Lori Lofton, the Water Conservation Office Coordinator.
I am honored to receive and accept this recognition on behalf of Athens-Clarke County Water Conservation Office. I must say, though, I think that this is a bit of a backwards award. And what I mean by that is that I should be giving an award to WaterSense, not receiving one. They have been a fantastic support in helping us to reduce water use in Athens. And like many of you, I am charged with the task of changing people's behavior. WaterSense helps me with this struggle by offering what I consider to be something that's very similar to magic. From the abracadabra moment that somebody switches out a fixture with a WaterSense labeled product, they just simply install that, and without any further requirements or change in behavior, they have reduced their water use and will continue to do so for years with nothing more than putting in a WaterSense labeled product. This leads me to also offer another note of thanks to those in the Alliance for Water Efficiency. Through emails and updates, you keep us abreast of the funding issues that WaterSense has recently faced in these last few years. So your efforts are bringing together the water professionals as advocates for the continuation of this proven program. We look forward to continuing our partnership with WaterSense. It's a valuable tool for Athens and is helping us to maintain our diverse and viable water portfolio. And the last thing I'd like to say is go dogs. Okay.
Our next award winner is a 3-time Promotional Partner of the Year, but today it's earning its first Sustained Excellence Award. The city demonstrated its consistent water conservation program in 2017 when the region experienced its first significant drought in 10 years. With the help of WaterSense When in Drought tools, this winter blanketed the area with water conservation messages, sent drought-related postcards and flyers to residents, and posted outdoor watering tips to social media using the hashtag WaterTipWednesday. It also targeted advertising to users of the weather.com app to coincide with specific local water conditions, and those ads received more than 287,000 impressions. During Fix a Leak Week, this partner hosted its annual Fix a Leak Week Family 5K race, and a total of 144 runners registered, which was a high for them, and all attendees received a checklist to help them detect and chase down leaks, because it was a race. Throughout the year, they also distributed water conservation kits, which included a WaterSense labeled shower head and faucet aerator, leak detection dye tablets, a toilet rebate pamphlet, and installation materials. In total, it estimated that over 1,500 labeled faucet aerators and 600 labeled shower heads were given away in 2017. Please join me in recognizing and congratulating the City of Charlottesville for its first Sustained Excellence Award. The award will be accepted by Jill Greiner, Charlottesville Water Conservation Program Coordinator.
Hello, everyone. First, I want to thank WSI for hosting such a great annual conference each year. And I always enjoy learning a lot of great things from everyone, all the presenters. Also want to thank EPA WaterSense in particular for your relentless efforts in helping communities like mine promote water-saving messages and keeping the topic in the national conversation. The City of Charlottesville is very grateful to be a recipient of such a high honor from WaterSense. I'm excited to be here accepting on behalf of my city and my community, owing much of our program's success to the commitment to save water from our community and our water utility, and also all the tools and resources provided by the WaterSense program. A year ago from today, while I was here actually at WaterSense, I learned that Charlottesville, Virginia was shifting from voluntary to mandatory drought restrictions due to some ongoing low rainfall and associated reservoir levels. This was our first drought in 10 years, and needless to say, our public messaging materials in drought were really outdated. Suddenly, I was faced with this challenge of updating our drought materials as soon as possible while away at a conference. I had tremendous help from my colleagues back at home, but I also had the help of WaterSense. I was able to quickly access available materials online on the drought materials, and also all their vetted messaging framework and promotional materials for getting out some of our most vital and attention-grabbing information. Our outreach and communication regarding our drought restrictions would not have been as effective without WaterSense's resources and materials. So let's fast forward to this year, and now my community is experiencing what seems to be nonstop rainy summer, a stark difference from last year. Nevertheless, Charlottesville continues to strive to meet our Green City vision and stays receptive and responsive to our outreach efforts and engagement to save water. I know that if and when Charlottesville again faces a drought, I can always turn to WaterSense for guidance and fresh material. I look forward to continuing our partnership with WaterSense to find new ways to reach our communities and promote water-saving strategies to reflect our commitment to resource stewardship. Thank you so much.
Thanks to a number of very creative approaches to water efficiency education, our next recipient is receiving its second Sustained Excellence Award. With the region under Level 2 drought for much of 2017, this utility created the Drought Busters campaign, a spoof of the Ghostbusters movie, which featured short videos promoting water-sensible products and water-saving practices. Its mascot, Tappy Turtle, encouraged citizens to combat drought by taking the We're for Water pledge. During Fix a Leak Week, the utility partnered with the Metropolitan North Georgia Water Planning District on the Fix a Leak Week Water Drop Dash race and distributed kits to students to help them check for leaks at home, along with a variety of other student education activities. They also collaborated on a pilot septic pump-out party where attendees received WaterSense giveaways and information on the utility's labeled toilet rebate program. In 2017, more than 2,000 rebates were issued for WaterSense toilets. The utility also worked with the local electricity provider to promote the water energy connection and WaterSense labeled shower heads. And by supporting a project to provide labeled fixtures and energy-saving appliances for a local family in need, they helped to decrease that family's annual water use by 60%. Please join me in congratulating Georgia's Cobb County Water System on its second Sustained Excellence Award. Senior Project Manager Kathy Wynn, recently promoted at her organization, will accept the award on behalf of Cobb County.
So, yeah, I was recently promoted, which means this is good news for you, the last time you'll have to hear me at this, but it is not the last time you'll hear from Cobb County, I hope, at this, because they will still fall under my jurisdiction. I just won't get to do the fun boots on the ground stuff with all of you. So I only have a few things to say. One is thank you to so many people in this room. You've been mentors to me and an inspiration to me. And to the ones coming up, these are the best people in water, and you're sitting with them right now in water conservation, right? So really soak in this moment. If you're young and new in the industry, walk up to any of us. We want to talk to you, and we want to inspire you to stay in this industry, right? So I will say that. I will say thank you to the Alliance for Water Efficiency. You put the pedal to the metal for 12 years, and we are pushing it over the finish line finally, right? EPA WaterSense. I mean being authorized, right? And thank you. And thank you to all of you for getting behind that effort. I've asked you every year. And lastly, it must be a Georgia thing, but Lori stole what I was going to say, which is it seems so ironic that I would be up here all the time getting an award for WaterSense when I have such a small staff to reach 700,000 people, but then I have this adjunct staff at WaterSense that we owe so much to. And so for them to give us an award seems crazy. We should be giving them an award or a paycheck or something. You'll take the paycheck? Okay. Duly noted. I'll go home to my folks. And lastly, I just have to thank the team at home, those people you saw in the picture. They're infinitely more talented, infinitely more creative than me. I just get to take credit for their work. And fortunately for me, I'll still get to do that. But you guys are in a great industry. You have been personal mentors of friends and colleagues to me. My number will stay the same. My email will stay the same. If I can help you, you already know, pick up the phone and call me. Thank y'all so much. You will still hear from Cobb because, you know, Tappy Turtle is our mascot, and turtles live a long time.
We're staying in Georgia, where our next winner continued its tradition of collaborating on water conservation with its 55 member utilities to earn its first Sustained Excellence Award. For its local utility members, this partner provided toolkits to promote a number of WaterSense campaigns. It also launched a technical assistance program to help its member utilities promote its pre-rinse spray valve replacement program, toilet replacement program, and commercial water audits. This partner also worked with the Home Depot to promote its member utilities' toilet rebates in stores. In collaboration with the Cobb County Water System, this winter focused its 2017 outreach efforts on training residents and real estate agents on how septic systems relate to water efficiency. The training encouraged agents to use WaterSense as a selling point when showing area homes to prospective buyers. The winner also updated its household water audit assessment in 2017, providing information on WaterSense labeled toilets, shower heads, and faucets, along with irrigation timers. Residents who applied for a toilet rebate also received an assessment to look for other water-saving opportunities. Please join me in congratulating the Metropolitan North Georgia Water Planning District on its first Sustained Excellence Award. Accepting the award is Sarah Skinner, the district's Education and Public Awareness Specialist.
Good afternoon. We are so thankful for this recognition, and I'll echo what Kathy and Lori said. We couldn't do this without you. WaterSense program has really made it easy for us to promote water conservation, which is key in Metro Atlanta, and it's making a big difference. Thanks to WaterSense and our other water conservation efforts, total water use in Metro Atlanta has fallen by more than 10% since 2001, even as the population has increased by more than 1 million. I want to thank the 55 utilities and authorities of the district for doing the good work of water conservation. The work has collectively made a huge impact on our region's water efficiency. We're very honored to receive this recognition. It means a great deal. Thank you so much.
Our next winner is also receiving its first Sustained Excellence Award after several years of award-winning WaterSense labeled product development and innovation. This manufacturer has a Beauty in Motion mobile showroom that displays innovative WaterSense labeled commercial products, and in 2017 it included urinals and toilets in a real-life commercial restroom setting. The mobile showroom toured 173 stops last year, which was a 27% increase from 2016. More than 6,700 professionals and consumers visited the exhibit. This manufacturer also distributed WaterSense labeled products to more than 11,000 U.S. retail outlets, a 34% increase over 2016. They also received multiple design awards for their innovative WaterSense labeled product designs last year, including the 2017 Beautiful Kitchens and Bath 30 Most Innovative Products and the Green Good Design Award. An innovative WaterSense labeled self-cleaning toilet was a finalist for the R&D 100 Award. I'm pleased to present American Standard with its first Sustained Excellence Award. Sal Gatone, Senior Director of Product Engineering, will accept the award on behalf of the company.
Thank you. All right. So on behalf of Lixil Americas, an American Standard brand, I want to thank the US EPA for honoring us with the EPA WaterSense Sustained Excellence Award. It's a privilege to receive this prestigious recognition and to be recognized in the company of so many notable organizations who join us in the EPA in a commitment to saving water without sacrificing performance. We constantly strive to integrate water efficiency into everything we do at Lixil Americas, from our innovations to our way of working to our societal impact. In awarding us this honor, the EPA recognized some of our newest water-saving innovations that consumers love. One such innovation is our fun Spectra Touch and Spectra eTouch shower heads, where you can change spray patterns with a touch of a finger on the outside ring of the shower head, just like that. In our way of working, we're targeting a 5% reduction in water use between now and 2020 at Lixil America's 9 production sites and 5 distribution centers. This is a part of Lixil's vision to achieve a global net zero environmental footprint by 2030. Finally, our societal impact in advancing water efficiency message is part of what you recognize us for today. In 2017, we reached more than 6,700 consumers and building professionals with the WaterSense message directly and in person through our Beauty in Motion truck tour. In addition, we more than doubled our PR and social media impressions for the WaterSense message over last year when you honored us with the WaterSense Partner of the Year Award. In closing, all of us at Lixil Americas want to thank the EPA for helping consumers to feel confident in selecting our water-efficient products. We're proud to play our part with you and with all of you here today in building a more sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you.
Next up, we'll recognize another manufacturer with its 4th Sustained Excellence Award for continuing its tradition of producing and promoting water-saving technologies and products. Through collaboration with major retailers, this manufacturer's WaterSense-labeled shower heads were featured at displays in Lowe's Home Improvement and the Home Depot. It also collaborated with the American Water Works Association, including its local Indiana chapter, to promote the WaterSense program to water districts and offered a promotion on repair parts to encourage more plumbers to participate in Fix a Leak Week. In 2017, they wrote a proposal that helped WaterSense incorporate rain showers into the revised WaterSense-labeled shower head specification this year, and it also hosted an event in a hotel that installed labeled shower heads to give showroom associates and other industry professionals a first-hand experience with the product. While all of its toilets have earned the WaterSense label, its Brizzo brand of faucets and shower heads continued to earn multiple awards in 2017 for water efficiency and design. The company showcased WaterSense-labeled products when it sponsored the HGTV Dream Home again this year, and influential bloggers wrote about their experience with the products, generating 1.8 million impressions. Please join me in congratulating the Delta Faucet Company on its 4th Sustained Excellence Award. Accepting the award on behalf of Delta is Carol Ann Kemper, Delta's Product Marketing Manager.
Good afternoon. On behalf of Delta Faucet Company, thank you to the Environmental Protection Agency. As a longstanding partner of EPA's WaterSense program, Delta is extremely honored to receive the 2018 Sustained Excellence Award. We continue to be amazed by how much the program and its partners have accomplished together, and we look forward to continuing the support of these important efforts. At Delta, we are committed to water efficiency and to the WaterSense program. We are committed to developing smart products that conserve water without sacrificing the user experience, and to strive to find new ways and exciting ways to educate the public with our products, retail partners, and through our marketing efforts. We are excited for what the future holds and what we can do together with the EPA. On behalf of the entire Delta Faucet Company organization, which includes the Delta, Peerless, and Brizzo brands, thank you for this esteemed recognition, and thank you to all the program partners for their continued dedication to conserving water and promoting efficiency. Thank you so much.
Next, we're honoring a 2-time Sustained Excellence Award winner. This is a group we like to call a parent professional certifying organization. It allows other organizations to certify irrigation professionals using its Qualified Water Efficient Landscaper, or QUEL program, without having to reinvent the wheel. During 2017, this organization restructured the QUEL program. They worked with 21 water efficiency and landscape experts to revise the curriculum and develop reference manual and training materials featuring WaterSense information. To date, this program has worked with 18 organizations in 6 states to adopt the QUEL program so they can train and certify professionals in water-efficient techniques and technologies. To further expand the QUEL program and vocational training opportunities to students, the Agricultural, Water, and Environmental Technology sector of the California Community College adopted QUEL in early 2017 to provide the opportunity for any state community college in California to implement the program. This winner also participated in a number of pilot programs in 2017, including a Coping with Drought research project to investigate the factors that affect people's response to drought. It also partnered with other organizations and 4 local schools to convert 20,000 square feet of irrigated lawn and impervious surfaces into water-efficient landscapes, saving 500,000 gallons of water annually. Please join me in recognizing the Sonoma Marin Saving Water Partnership on its 2nd Sustained Excellence Award. Gregory Plum, a Water Use Efficiency Program Specialist for the program, will accept the award.
Hi, everyone. Many thanks to the WaterSense team, first of all. We're really honored to receive our 2nd Sustained Excellence Award for the QUEL program. I've been the QUEL program manager for about 5 years, and it's been amazing to have the opportunity to interact with so many fine folks. With the recent curriculum update, we have really solid program materials that we're proud to offer. But I'd like to acknowledge the tremendous amount of effort that it takes to operate and adopt the QUEL program and make it successful. And I want to give kudos to the organizations and the individuals that have taken it on. These are the folks who are delivering the material to landscape professionals, which is what it's all about. When I relocated to California about a decade ago, I was struck by the ubiquity of lawns and overhead irrigation in California. It makes me hopeful to see landscapes transitioning to include more climate-appropriate plants, as well as strategies to utilize alternative water sources in the landscape. Yesterday, Tom Chestnut's presentation on landscape transformation referenced that it can take years or even decades to achieve. Let's keep at it. Cool, thank you.
The next winner is no stranger to this award stage. Today, it's earning its 4th Sustained Excellence Award. As a leading builder of WaterSense labeled homes, they built 170 new homes in 2017 that met the WaterSense criteria and earned the label. They also included WaterSense labeled fixtures in all of the homes built last year. In total, nearly 1,000 of its homes have met the WaterSense specification, and more than 500,000 WaterSense labeled fixtures have been installed in the company's new homes across the country. Going beyond indoor products, they created a landscaping guide in 2017 for all of the company's divisions, with a directive to showcase drought-resistant and native plants at all of its model homes. This builder also implemented company-wide employee awareness training focused on WaterSense and partnered with the sustainability nonprofit organization Ceres to promote the Connected Drops campaign, advancing resilient water solutions in California. It also partnered with the Southern Nevada Water Authority to promote the utility's WaterSmart home program of incentives for water-efficient devices and landscaping. Please help me congratulate the 4-time Sustained Excellence Award winner, KB Home. Jacob Atala, KB's Vice President of Sustainability, will accept the award on behalf of the company.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to receive the Sustained Excellence Award again. I want to use these 2 words, sustained and excellence, in what I say next. It is the excellence of the WaterSense program that has sustained us on our journey to be more water efficient. So thank you very much. This journey has about 14 years to it. In 2004 and 5, we worked with the Southern California Metropolitan Water District and with the Southern Nevada Water Authority to put our training wheels on and start learning how to build more efficient, water-efficient homes. And from there, we then got on board with WaterSense version 1.0 for new homes. And earlier this week, I participated in a stakeholders meeting for version 2.0 of the WaterSense for new homes. We're looking forward to, in 2020, implementing that program. So thank you very much.
Well, I know most people have finished their dessert because it's very quiet now as opposed to like the fork and knife play we had earlier on. So last but not least, we have an organization that is earning its first Sustained Excellence Award after receiving the Licensed Certification Provider Partner of the Year in 4 previous years. This company worked closely with our award-winning builder partner, KB Home, to inspect and certify KB's homes that earned the WaterSense label in 2017. This rating company gets involved with builders early in the planning process to help implement water-efficient design aspects into home construction and reduce costs. It looks for ways to incorporate other green building programs ratings into its new homes, including Energy Star, LEED, and the Green Point rated systems. It has more than 90 in-house field raters, which helps closely control the quality of their inspections. And in 2017, they trained 12 raters on the WaterSense new home specification. It also worked to recruit new builders to the WaterSense program as it inspects over 60,000 homes every year. Please join me in recognizing the Energy Inspectors Corporation on its first Sustained Excellence Award. Accepting the award today is Renee Ryan, Vice President of Communication and Data Management for the company.
Hello, everyone. It is an honor to be here amongst you who share a common goal, and that is to save our planet through water conservation. So I commend you for your presence here. About 20 years ago, Energy Inspectors started as a third-party HERS inspection company. Since then, we have had the vision, the desire, and dedication to plummet and move forward. And where that has led us is increasing our services in engineering, design, risk management, commissioning, and sustainability. We've worked and collaborated with utilities, partners, municipalities, and vendors, trying to increase energy efficiencies in all above code programs. But primarily for WaterSense, we have developed an in-house, in-depth training that has allowed us, as previously stated, to certify 12 new WaterSense inspectors just in the California market. And thus, we have certified as well 170 new WaterSense homes in the California market. Our goal is to increase these numbers. Our goal is to expand and bring WaterSense into multiple regions across the nation. I would like to thank the EPA, the WaterSense organization, and our longtime partners, KB Home, who has been with us all the way. And I'd also like to dedicate this award to every hardworking individual at Energy Inspectors. Without them, this would not be possible. So thank you.
So please join me in a final round of applause for all of our 2018 Sustained Excellence Partner of the Year and Excellence Award winners.